Welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video, let me show you how to turn off your two-factor authentication or 2FA on SoundCloud. Hey guys, so to turn off your two-factor authentication on your SoundCloud, and here's how to do it. Of course, you want to go to their site, and then on their site, there's a three dot sign on the upper section. Tap it, go to Settings, and then you will see a two-factor authentication or the 2FA. Click that, and then since mine isn't enabled and you want to disable it, you just want to click in disable. So after that, you want to enter your account password along with a 6-digit authentication code from your authenticator app or SMS to confirm it. Once verified, two-factor authentication will be switched off, and you'll only need your username and password to log in. Next is that you want to keep in mind that disabling your two-factor authentication makes your account less secure, so it's best to do this only if you're changing device, having login issues, or plan to set it back up later. And that's all on how to turn off your two-factor authentication on your SoundCloud account.